Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Lady Maria 51 channel. Today we're going to prepare a recipe that is easy and fast. We will prepare some cheese dogs. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que les estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. To prepare the cheese dog, we need some hot dogs, cheese for sandwiches, and dough. This is all we need to prepare a cheese dog. To prepare the cheese dog, the first thing we need was boil the hot dogs. Now we're going to prepare the cheese dog. We prepare it by placing a piece of cheese on the dough. Place the hot dog and place another piece of cheese. Remember that this cheese is the sandwich cheese. We close it on this side and now on the other side. Now we are going to close the edge. We close it like this and close it. Now we close it in the other side. Now with a fork we are going to finish closing. We squeeze gently. Now we close the other side. And here we have our cheese dog. We put this cheese dog over moderate heat until they are golden brown. And the cheese dogs are ready! See how easy and fast it is to prepare them. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, Lady Maria 51, and activate the bell so that you can receive our new videos. See you in the next video.